Hey guys, welcome to another trade of the day, and this one is with COTI. Stick around if you want to find out if this is going to fly up or down. Welcome guys, if you like this kind of content, then make sure you click the old subscribe button so you can never miss one of these videos. First on the docket is COTI, but what is COTI? COTI markets itself as a first enterprise-grade fintech platform that empowers organizations to build their own payment solutions as well as digitize any currency to save time as well as money. It is also one of the world's first blockchain protocols that is optimized for decentralized payments and designed for the use of merchants, governments, payments, dApps, and stablecoin issuers. There is also a whole bunch more of cool stuff that COTI does. But we are not here to talk about what it does, what it is. We're here to talk about what the price may do. So on the screen here, you can see the BlockParty indicator, which is available to all for a 7-day free trial and 50% off all annual subscriptions. But let's throw on all of our analysis that we've done so far. So first up, we can see that there are around about 4 kind of significant markers that are going to make me take this trade. We are looking at a short, but what is indicating this short? Well, first up, we've got that signature bearish signal from the BlockParty indicator, which has so much strength behind it on its own. But we're going to take a look at a few other indicators, and one of those is this downward trend line. Not only that, but you can see it syncs up quite nicely with this long-term trend line that we can see just here. Sorry, not trend line, support. We have an initial breakout retest and a power up right back on the 12th of January 2023. It retests it once again on the 11th of March, and it comes down and nearly tests it, but not quite, on the 9th of May. Now this nearly test is kind of what's driving one of the entry points behind me. So we can expect that this price will probably test this support again. But we also want to make sure that we get a quite nice safe entry. So we have this downward trend line, which we've been rejected off and we've not quite broken just yet. We have this significant support line right here, which we do expect it's going to test again, alongside a bearish signal, which has just come out of sync. There we go. A bearish signal right up here. Let's take a look at a few other things. Now, with this downward trend line that we can see just here, we see also that it's having a bit of a divergence from the CVD. This is a very bearish signal. And there is one last thing as well. We can see that we are actually breaking a trend line on the CVD. I always draw my trend lines as soon as I see an overbought or an oversold. That will be my anchor point, and I'll start to draw my trend line from there. We have broken it, so it means that it is looking like we're having quite a bearish move. Then the last thing we will take a look at is the rejection from the daily exponential moving average. We can see ever since we broke down on it, just around about the 22nd of April, we've not been able to get back above, with a rejection here on the 26th of April, once again on the 6th of May, and then again the most recent one on the 17th of May right here, another rejection. There is one final one which I've left off because it's just a little bit beyond our target, but there is an untested weekly pivot down here, so there is a chance that price could fall even further. But further from where? Well, let's take a look at our targets. So just here we'll draw our little targets on and get started. As always, we'll draw our stop loss to the most recent swing high or swing low, and right here you can see that our most recent swing high is just here. So our stop loss will go just a tiny little bit above it to give it some room to breathe. And then we'll do our standard one-to-one risk reward, which should put us just at this support, which is pretty much perfect. Because that's where we're likely to see a bounce, and that is our perfect stop take profit. So there you have it, guys. We have a nice, lovely COTI short, which should attain us around about 8.29% with a one-to-one risk reward. Enjoy.